Letter A. A is for alley, alligator. Uppercase A is tall, like a volcano top. Lowercase a goes round, 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 and straight down. Alley, alligator is a vowel. A can say its name, A. And when we learn alley, alligator, it says ah, ah, ah. Some things that start with ah. Ah, ah, alligator. Ah, ah, astronaut. Notice how big your mouth is getting. Ah, ah, apple. Ah, ah, ant. And back to alligator. How do you write an A? Remember, the uppercase starts at the top, go down, pick up your pencil. Go to the top and down, and the only thing left is to cross. I'll do another one. Top to bottom, pick up your pencil, go back up to the top where you were at the point, and you want to kind of make a match so they're all standing even, and across the middle. Lowercase a, round, round, round. Don't pick up your pencil till you're done. We'll do another one. Round, round, round. We do the left side, then we go to the right side and down. I didn't pick up my pencil till I was finished. Okay, now our word game. Listening for the ah sound. I'm going to show you two pictures. We have a bag and box. One of them, when we say it, our mouth goes ah, really big. Let's see if it's this one. Bag, box. Which one did you go ah for? Bag, box. I hope you heard it in bag. B-A-G. It's right here. Ah. Let's look at this one. B-A-X. This one was going ah, and we were listening for ah. So this was the right word. All right, I've got one more for you. Man or moon? Which one is your mouth going ah for? Man, moon. Did you hear which one goes ah in the middle? I hope you got it right. Is it this one? Ah, Did you hear ah? Or ooh, Which one goes ah in the middle? An. I hope you picked man. Bag and man has ah in the middle. All right, we'll see you in the next letter.